welcome back. I'm Brian's Custom Audio. And as you might know, we specialize in high-end sound systems for exotic cars, yachts and residences, of course. I want to show you something which we are about to do. This is a very special project with a Porsche GT2RS, and this client requested something very special, something very unique worldwide. So in terms of installing the speakers, as you already know, it's very important to make the adapters which hold the speakers, to make them as solid as possible. So normally with cars we make those rings from aluminum, for instance. This client really wanted something very special, so we had the rings made out of AMMC. And this stands for Advanced Metal Matrix Composites. And this is a very special metal which is used in engines of high-performance cars, in space shuttles and all these very crazy things. It's stiffer than titanium and it's lighter than titanium. If you take a look at these rings, this is a model which I have already done, and we have made them before from aluminum. So I just sent these files to a company who milled these from AMMC, because this is another material I can mill in my own CNC. It looks like stainless steel or aluminum, but I can tell you it's not, it's AMMC. So it's quite light and it's so unbelievably solid, absolutely next level. So we have rings for the 8-inch mid-base which goes into the doors. We have rings for the mid-ranges as well, front and back of the car. We have the tweeter adapters for the front in the dashboard, the tweeter adapters for the rear side panels, and also extra enforcement rings for the subwoofers which will go in a custom box. Speaking about that, behind me we have the Porsche GT3RS, and since the internal is the same of the GT2RS, I have this car here also to do a sound system in, and also to develop each part individually from scratch. So what we did, the backside of the car, under the rear window, we made a 3D scan out of it, and I started designing the subwoofer box in a way that it looks like it was already there from factory, which is very important. And also the acoustics of the box has to be perfect, of course. So we had it printed on a scale just to see how it looks, and after that we had it printed in full scale just to make sure all the fitments were perfect. So it aligns perfectly, it fits like a glove, and I was very happy with it. But this is not the final piece, because we had it made from solid carbon fiber. This is a very special skill and very special technique. This is so special that we had it made externally, who first milled out a block of aluminum to make a mold, and then in the mold they made the subwoofer box 5mm solid carbon fiber. No sandwich, but just solid carbon fiber. And it arrived this morning, so I'm very excited. Let me just start unpacking. Wow. So, as I said, this is 5mm thick carbon fiber, full carbon fiber. It's unbelievable, unbelievable. This will be wrapped with leather and Alcantara in the same way the interior of the car is made, because in this particular car there is absolutely no visible carbon fiber. So this will be covered as well. Which is a shame, because it's so beautifully done, the weaves and everything. But anyway, of course, from this to this we have made some adjustments, because the opening you see here was made for the amplifiers to install in, but we decided to have the front, so this is the visible side, to make it closed, so the amplifiers will go from the underside. That's why the bottom is removable, just for installation purposes. So What's next? We're going to test fit again in this one, and we do all the wiring, we install the subwoofers and everything. And once everything is done, we will prepare the final installation in the GT2RS. So very excited. Thank you so much and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.